Greeting of the day, my dear students. I am Naveen, your English teacher, and today I'm going to discuss with you lesson number 3, which is nouns. In your previous classes, you have already learned that a noun is a naming word, right? That is used for name, living beings, place, things, ideas, and feelings. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss these things again. Okay, as you can see, the first step, there is a small exercise given in your book. Actually, it's a table and there are columns. The first column is letter, second person name, third is place, and fourth is animal, and fifth is thing. As you can see here, the first letter there is given, and then starting with this letter you have to mention the name of the person, which is Dilshad, and then place Dehradun, then animal dog, thing dress. So I'm going to give you few more words here. The first word is S, the second one is P, and the third one is T. Now you have to do one thing, you have to add these three words and then you have to complete this table the way it's been done here, right? And you have to do this exercise in your grammar notebook. All right, so let's move forward. As you can see here, and there is a definition given for you, and that is proper nouns are names of a particular people or places. They always begin with a capital letter. So as you know, proper nouns are the name of particular people. It means when you're referring a specific person or a particular people or place, you can say that is a proper noun, right? And it always starts with a capital letter. So let's move forward. About proper nouns, I would like to tell you a few more things here. Nouns that name particular place, person, or object are called proper nouns. We all know that, right? So sometimes we give names to pets also, like Kitty, Tommy, and name of the people like Sachin Tendulkar, Mumbai, place, India, the Times of India, Park Street, Goa. These all are proper nouns. So let's move forward, and remember one thing, proper nouns begins with capital letters. So there's an exercise which is B exercise, and what you need to do with it, you have to do like rewrite the sentence using capital letters for the proper nouns. And the first one is my friends Terry and Tara will be coming for dinner. As you can see here, what you need to do, my friends Terry is a name, a proper noun actually, a particular person's name, right? So what you need to do, you have to change it as the first letter as in capital letter. Then again, Tara is also a naming word which is proper noun, so you have to change this in capital letter. As you can see, these are very simple points here, and you have to do these options by yourself. Okay, so there is one more definition for you. The definition that is that was like common nouns are used for classes, persons, animal, places, and things. So remember one thing, when we talk about common nouns, so nouns that names person, place, or objects of the same kind. Okay, what kind? Of the same kind are common nouns. And a common noun is a word that does not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. So you need to remember this. Okay, like words like books, pen, pencil, boys, rivers, mountains, town, village, or are all common nouns. So as you can see here, there are few common noun examples: driver, mountain, pomegranate, flock. These are all common nouns. Let's move forward, and there is one more exercise which is C. So what you need to do with it, it is very simple and interesting also. Complete the table with common and proper nouns. So there are two columns. The first column refers common and the second one proper nouns. As you can see, common nouns: monument, neighbor, and then it's blank because it's already given in proper nouns column, and you have to complete this table by yourself. I'm helping you with the first one, which is like common nouns. As you can see, common nouns, monument is given there, and then The particular monument is Qutub Minar. Neighbor is a common word. What you can write here? A name of a person who lives or nearby you, right? I mean, who is your neighbor? Then Saina Nehwal, as you can see, she's a player. So you can see a sports person or a player here. Singer, and then any singer name, you know. France is a country, you know that. And you have to complete your complete country like. And then leopard, and proper noun should be cheetah, right? So let's move forward. Abstract nouns. Let's talk about abstract nouns. Actually, abstract nouns. There are some examples. Read the sentence. Do you think intelligence is inherited? The noun intelligence is abstract and it's not tangible. So there is an definition actually. An abstract noun is a noun that shows an action, a feeling, or a quality. So what you need to remember when we talk about abstract nouns, so we need to realize few things, that nouns that names, ideas, or concepts, quality, feelings, some states, some state or a thing which cannot be touched or seen are called abstract nouns, because we have already learned in our previous classes. So here are the different kinds of abstract nouns, as you can see here. The first one, actions such as practice, thought, laughter. Then second one, feeling such as sorrow, joy, and curiosity. The third one is qualities. Qualities की जब हम बात करते हैं, so we think such as loyalty, intelligence, and creativity. So these all are what kind of noun? Abstract nouns. Okay, now there is one more exercise given here, and that is exercise number D. Color the boxes that have abstract nouns. So you need to do one thing. I hope you can do it by yourself, which is very easy. You need to color the box that refers abstract nouns. Let's move to the collective nouns actually, right? Which of the two words is a collection? Bucket, card. So which word is a kind of collection? You can see the word bucket is a collection of flowers, because when we refer flowers, we can also refer a bucket of flowers, right? So the definition of the collective nouns. Collective nouns are the name of the groups of collection of people, place, animals, or things, right? So as you have learned in your previous classes, you can add or think like nouns that a name a group or a class of similar things or persons taken together and spoken of as one whole are called collective nouns, right? Collective nouns are treated as single units. Remember one thing, जब हम collective nouns को refer करते हैं तो उनको हम single unit के तौर पे refer करते हैं, right? They can be used as common nouns, और उनको हम common nouns के through भी as a common nouns भी use कर सकते हैं. So there are some examples. A litter of puppies, a herd of deer, an army of soldiers, a hive of bees. So these all are collective nouns, and they are referring a group of things or people or animals, right? Let's move forward. I'm going to turn the page. As you can see here, there is an interesting picture, and what you need to do with it, match the collective nouns with the correct pictures. So these are very simple actually. You can see the first one is class, and which is the appropriate one, which is F1, class of students. Then gaggle of C options, I guess, and that is ducks. So you can see gaggle of ducks, or bucket of flowers, the B1, and show of fish, right? Range of mountains, and set of tools. So I have done this for you. Now move forward. You have learned in the previous classes that names can be of feminine or masculine, neuter or common gender. So let's discuss about gender here. So the F exercise is all about genders. So underline the nouns according to their gender: red for masculine, blue for feminine, pink for neuter, and and for common. So dancer, principal, here is salesman, companion, uncle, cow, mouse. These all are the words, and you have to color them, right, according to the point which has been asked here. Okay, I hope you can do it by yourself. If you will not be able, then you're free to feel to ask me anytime in my personal number. You can text me and ask me, right? Now then, a number column. Nouns are either countable or uncountable. Circle the nouns that are countable. So when we talk about countable and uncountable noun, I hope you are clear with it, because we have already learned in previous sections. Countable nouns that you can count, uncountable nouns that you cannot count. So as you can see, oil, can you count the oil? You can count the bottle of the oil, but you cannot count the oil, right? So that's how it's going to work for you. And I hope you have remember what we have gone through in our previous classes, right? So read these rules for changing the number of nouns. Dear students, I'll share these things with you in my next video, the second part of this chapter. Till then, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video, because once you will do that, you will get our notification about all the teachers who have been posted their videos, right? Thank you for watching.